Hello everybody. Today I wanted to make this video, but this video is going to be different today. So I'm not just going to talk about 2.0, my progress with 2.0 and how well I'm doing in 2.0, how well my cars are doing in 2.0. But I also want to take some time to share some light, some information regarding not just my 2.0 but my other business. As you know, I'm sure everybody know, knowledge is power. So the more information you have, the more successful you can be. So before I am to this level, before I was able to make $459,000 in the last 12 months, it comes to a point where I had to make a decision. So I had some good money saved in the bank. Me and my wife, we're hardworking. I'm a hotel manager, so I work hard. I decided to, during COVID, I was furloughed, sitting down, didn't know what to do, how to invest my money. I'm a big fan of stock market and the cryptocurrency, so I like to invest in this area. But I didn't know exactly what to invest my money in besides those things. So I decided to look into. So I started, watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I come across this platform, ClickFunnels. This gentleman right here, he's the one that kind of changed my life, actually. So I buy one of his book that I find. I'm actually gonna leave that book on the descriptions, and right after I'm done reading that book, it really changes the way I see things in general. And I realize knowledge is power. So a lot of us, we so used to clock in and clock out, and it just kind of creates something in our mind. It feels like if you're not working a job, it's like you so depends on the boss at your job or whatever, the workplace that you work for, to provide for you. It's like this is the only way. You accustomed, it become a tradition, which it is a traditional for most people. But there is a way out, and then I find that way out by reading just that one book. And I'm gonna put that book on the link below this video. People, I'm not saying reading the book will completely change. It will completely change your mindset. That I know for a fact. But it will lead you to change your finances by taking necessary actions. So you see, if you hang out with people on the same level as you, like for example, if you're someone who's working a job, you hang out with people that's working a job just like you, then guess what? Your mindset gonna be, just like them. But if you're hanging out with people who are very successful, then your mindset gonna be just like them. So my whole life I've been depending on a job, especially I have a wife and kids, so I depends on my job to take care of my bills, to pay everything for me, But this time, I don't know, I just wanted to do something different. I believe that why is everybody else making money? So money is just, there has to be a way for me to make money. So I opened a big ebook company. So I bought thousands of ebook, and then I decided to create a package. But then again, having the ebook, I didn't really know exactly how to promote it. So this is why I start getting more knowledge, and then I find that books, which I'm going to leave the link below this video, and feel free to you guys to get that link, get the books for yourself if you really want to change your mindset, your business, and to grow your business to this level. You see, I'm a regular person. I don't do social media. As you can see, my Facebook account, I don't have too many people actually following me. But there is way around everything. So keep in mind, money make money. So there's no such things unless if you work a job, clock in, then you still have to invest your time. But keep in mind, if you have some money in the bank and you're looking the best way to invest it, I suggest you to invest it on yourself by buying the books. I buy the books myself for $200 at that time. It was $200, and it changes my whole life. And I can say to you, I turned $200 to $459,000. So people, I'm leaving the proof. This is my back office. I mean, I don't have to log into my bank account to show this money. This is my funnels, or my sales funnel. The last 4 hours. Let's see, I made a sale for $50 and 250. I got 150. So sales just coming in. People just keep buying from me. And then on top of that, I managed to open my tour business with some extra money. And this is nothing. I'm planning to put 17 cars in Turo, investing the money I make from this business to invest it on my Turo business. So I'm making it happen, and I just feel like it's important to share, to let people know the best investment is to invest in yourself. So get this book today, read it for the next 7 days, and see how your mindset will change. If you're someone who already have a business in form, you want to maximize your business, this book will really change your life. So take action. Get this book below this video, or hear it now, and then let me know. Don't forget to leave me a comment on the videos, or if you need any more information about the book, please don't forget to contact me now. Thank you so much again. You guys have a great day now.